Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to show you the tutorial how to save your battery life to go on iOS or iPhone. So here the device that I use is iPhone XR. So actually to save your battery life, you just need to click or activate the low battery mode. So how to access the low battery mode on your iPhone? Actually, if you already activate the shortcut, or your like the phone is activate the shortcuts, you can just access it by slide your right upper skin here into the downside until you found this looks, and the low battery mode will be like this. Just need to click it to activate it. So whenever the color turns into yellow, means that you already activate the low battery mode. Okay, is there any other way? Of course, you just need to go into the settings. If you confused where do you can access the low battery mode, you just need to scroll down your settings, and after that go into the battery. And now in the first button there will be appear the battery percentage and low power mode. You just need to click this button to activate the low power mode. So low power mode actually temporarily reduces background activity like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your iPhone. So it can make you have a longer life of battery when you go. So that's all the way how to activate the low power mode on your iPhone. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.